Okay guys, welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to unbox the 1x24 diecast model of Land Cruiser FJ40 and the current generation LC200. And the LC200 model is not licensed as it is not available by Toyota, so I bought this XLG version and it has amazing detailings for the price. And if you want to buy any of these models, I will provide the link in the description of this video. So if you're not already subscribed to the channel for more videos like this, and let's get started. Okay guys, so hope you enjoyed the video. Like the video, share the video, and subscribe to our channel. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.